Hello guys, today I will shave with two razors. It's I think I will make a next several videos. The thread razor sharpening experiments. What is the experiment? Experiments. I have my regular honing. You may see my videos where it's bevel edge. It's polished like mirror. It's a very sharp razor, but I will try finishing on with a slurry finishing, not polishing. And some experts tells that it's more comfortable shaving, and I will make an experiment. Every video, the experimental razor will be this. It's Olympia 1964 number. I think it's a year. The made of this razor, excellent condition, 13 of 16 white blade. And the second razor again will be Bengall Cast steel, excellent condition, but it's different. It's not from last video razor. It's another razor, excellent condition. It's 6 of 8 plus white blade. And the experimental razor was honed on this Thuringen waterstone. It's with a slurry. It's a quite popular stone, and I put a video with a microscope and the bevel edge before and after honing on this stone. Okay, I will use also Prarasa, pre-shave and shaving soap tabak, shaving brush, this cosmetic made in China, silver tip, badger. And let's go. Olympia. Bengall. It was an excellent shaving, Bengall Cast steel, and experimental sharpening of this razor. It was quite good, quite comfortable, but I think it was my mistake. I little bit cut it, but it's when you finished on a slurry, it's look like it's not overhoned and not too sharpened, but very comfortable cut hairs and very clean also. So maybe it's a right way finishing on a slurry, and we not see the bevel edge. It's not like mirror. Maybe we don't need a mirror bevel edge. It's not. Yes, it's interesting for people. They see the very clean bevel edge. It's like mirror, and they say, "Whoa, it's excellent sharpening." But maybe we don't need, and the bevel edge after slurry, it's looks another. It's not mirror. It's like a fork on the bevel edge and some scratches. But it's maybe it's not a problem. Maybe we should do the better. We don't need a rich bevel edge like mirror. Maybe it's wrong way. Who knows? Okay, thank you for watching. See you. Bye.